She said one sentence live on national television, and within 24 hours, her career nearly collapsed. Not because of a scandal, not because of a leaked photo, but because of 6 seconds of unscripted laughter that the entire internet decided to judge her for. This is the story of Lara Spencer, and what her very public downfall and comeback reveal about the price of being famous in the age of outrage. Imagine spending over 2 decades building a reputation as one of morning television's most trusted faces. That was Lara's reality. She wasn't a reality star chasing viral moments. She was a journalist, a broadcaster, someone who worked her way up through local news before landing a permanent seat on one of the biggest morning shows in America. That kind of career takes years of consistency, trust, and hard work most viewers never see. What most people don't realize is how fragile that trust can be. One offhand comment, delivered in real time with no ability to edit or rethink it, can undo decades of goodwill in a matter of hours. That's exactly what happened when Lara made a passing remark about a young royal's dance class choice. Seemed like nothing in the moment. A quick reaction, a laugh, gone in seconds. But online, nothing truly disappears. At first glance, the backlash looked completely disproportionate to what actually happened. A brief comment turned into a viral firestorm, with critics accusing her of mocking an entire community. Within hours, hashtags were trending. Public figures weighed in. The story dominated entertainment news cycles for days. But here's where the story gets interesting. What followed wasn't just criticism. It was a real-time case study in how quickly public opinion can turn, and how little context often survives once outrage takes over. The surprising part is what Lara did next. Instead of disappearing, deflecting blame, or issuing a hollow non-apology crafted by a publicist, she came back on air and addressed it directly, in her own words, visibly emotional. She didn't hide from the criticism. She sat with it in front of millions of people and owned the moment honestly. That kind of public vulnerability is rare in an industry built on image control and carefully managed statements. Social media reactions split almost instantly. Some viewers felt the entire controversy had spiraled out of proportion, turning an offhand comment into something far bigger than it deserved to be. Others felt her response didn't go far enough. But something else happened underneath all that noise. Many people quietly admired the fact that she didn't run from the moment. In an era where celebrities often vanish behind statements written by someone else, Lara chose to face the criticism as herself, in real time without a script. What makes this story worth revisiting isn't really about the controversy itself. It's about what it reveals about fame in the modern world. A single sentence, stripped of tone and context, can travel faster and further than an entire career of credibility. That's the strange, unforgiving math of public life today. Decades of trust can be outweighed, at least temporarily, by seconds of judgment from strangers who never actually watched the full segment. Hidden underneath that controversy is something viewers rarely think about: the emotional toll of being publicly criticized by millions of people at once, most of whom will never know anything else about who you actually are. Imagine having one moment of your life, one unscripted reaction, become the headline that defines you, even after years of steady, respected work. That kind of pressure would break plenty of people. Lara stayed on air. She kept working. She rebuilt her credibility not through a dramatic reinvention, but through consistency, showing up day after day and letting her work speak louder than the controversy ever did. That, in itself, says something powerful about resilience. Fame doesn't just test people during their best moments. It tests them during their worst ones, in front of an audience that rarely offers second chances easily. The celebrities who last aren't always the most talented or the most polished. Often, they're the ones who can absorb public criticism, learn from it without losing themselves, and keep going anyway. Lara Spencer's story isn't really about one controversial moment. It's about what happens after the internet moves on to the next outrage, and a person is left to quietly rebuild their identity in the aftermath. It's a reminder that public perception is often built on fragments, not full pictures, and that real character is usually revealed not in a viral clip, but in how someone responds once the cameras are still rolling and the world has stopped paying attention. So the next time a celebrity controversy dominates your feed, consider how much of the full story you're actually seeing. Because behind almost every viral headline is a real person navigating consequences most of us will never fully understand, trying to hold on to who they are while the world rushes to define them by a single moment.